Good morning, everybody. My dear students, my name is Baba Uday. I am working as an English teacher in Sri Marusideshwar High School, Anur. Dear students, today we are going to start a new lesson, that is justice above self. The lesson name is, title of this lesson is Justice Above Self, written by Munshi Premchand. Written by Munshi Premchand. My dear students, today in this lesson, we are going to know that how the justice is, or how the justice was. Here in this lesson, the writer Munshi Premchand, he want to explain, he want to describe about the bond of friendship. Dear students, we know the friendship, which is the real friendship or original friendship. You are also having so many friends here, or you are having your very intimacy friendship or close friends in your school or in your college, anyway. But you must know what is the real friendship here. Who is the real friend? At the time of justice or at the time of decide of any justice, whether you have to count your friendship or your family relationship or any other emphasis or any other force, decide. Really, here in this lesson, the writer, author Munshi Premchand, he gave one insight regarding friendship and the justice. Being a friend, being a relative, being a close friend, how he became, how he was given justice about any problems. And also, dear students, we know the value of parents, how we are obey the parents, how we are giving respect to the elders in our family, how we are going to treat the old parents in our families or any families. What was the responsibility of that old parents or parents? How we are going to behave in front of them? And also, how we are going to treat the parents in the olden days? And also in this lesson, the writer says about the value of panchayat members. Panchayat. You know that the word panchayat is used in village also. In the village or remote areas, the people they have go through the panchayati or panchayat to solve their problems, any assignments, any justice they have given. In the panchayat or in the village panchayat, there was an elder in the village. They are the elder. They are the panchayat members. They have to give a decision or a justice about any problems which are coming in front of the panchayats in the villages. How the panchayat members are, how they have to decide important impartially about the problems. This point also noted here, and how that punishment has been given in the panchayat, village panchayat, and how the people they were in the village, they were used to obey the orders of the panchayat people. Like that, here in this lesson, so many points we are going to know about the justice above self. And also we have to know that how the justice is very impartially given. And also what was the bond of friendship is also explained here. Anyhow, today we are going to know the new lesson, that is justice above self, written by Munshi Premchand. The name of this lesson is the justice above self. Justice above self. Dear students, now I am going to read the lesson. You also go through the text and observe the lesson. Justice above self, part first, that is, Juman Sheikh and Alibu Chaudhary were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. But thereafter, the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady needed for survival. She solved these insults along with her food for a few months, but patience has its limits. One day, she spoke to Juman. My son, it's now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. How to run the house? Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. This made his aunt angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. The old lady went about meeting people, explaining her case. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her. A few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last she came to Alibu Chaudhary and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Alibu said, but is it right, my son? To keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair. pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth. She said. Alugu did not reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Juman stood up and said, "The voice of the panchayat is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head punch. I will abide by her decision. I nominate Alugu Chaudhary as a punch. The punch knows neither enemy nor friend," stated the old lady. "Fine," replied Juman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of luck. "Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman," said Alugu. "Yes, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience for a sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of punch, and his voice is the voice of God. God lives in the heart of punch, and his voice is the voice of God." And the old lady explained her case. "What have you to say in your defense?" asked Alugu to Juman. Juman narrated how his aunt transferred her property and how he promised her to look after her as long as she lived. "But of the late there have been quarrels between my wife and aunt. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me, which I cannot pay. That is all I have to say." He concluded his submission. After consulting others, Alugu announced, "We are of the opinion that Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, for else the property goes back to her." Now the friendship were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship was broken. In fact, Juman saw Alugu as an enemy and wanted to take a revenge. Yes, my dear students, as I told you before, that there is a two friends introducing here, Juman Sheikh and Alugu Chaudhary. Juman Sheikh and Alugu Chaudhary were good friends. As I told you that you are also having good friends. Juman Sheikh and Alugu Chaudhary were good friends. Who are the good friends here, my dear friends? Yes, Juman Sheikh and Alugu Chaudhary were good friends here. So strong was their bond friendship. Their friendship was very strong. Bond of friendship is very strong. I think you are also having such a friendship here. You are also having a bond of friendship. The friendship is very strong. Bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Whether one of them, Juman Sheikh, either Alugu Chaudhary, one of them they went out of the village for the sake of business or anything. the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. That Jumanshi and also Alugu Chaudhary, they were having a good the respect in the village. You know the meaning of bond. Bond means strong connection. You are also having bond of friendship, or strong friendship, or close friendship, pet friendship, like that. It shows very close friends. The bond of friendship is very strong. The Jumanshi and Alugu Chaudhary's bond of friendship. Let us go in the paragraph second. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. Here, Jumanshi, one of his friend, Jumanshi or Juman had an old aunt in his house. Old aunt who had some property. His aunt had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him. If there is an understanding between Juman Sheikh and his old aunt, she was having some property. The old aunt, she transferred her property the name of Juman Sheikh. Because, see, there is understanding that she would stay with him. There is understanding between them. She, in the olden days, she wanted to stay with him, Jumanshi. He would look after her. In the olden days, Juman, he wanted to look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. The arrangements are going like this, 2 years it means. 2 years, couple years 2. But then after the situation changed. After 2 years, thereafter a few years, the situation is changed in his house, in the Juman's house. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. So this old relative, the Juman and his wife, they were very tired. Juman became an independent to her as his wife. Juman and his wife, they want to separate, independent. Who gradually even the little food that the old lady needed for survival. The Juman's family, Juman Sheikh's family gave some little of food for the old lady. They did not look after her in the good manner. They gave only little food for that old lady. That old lady, she wanted to survive. She swallowed these insults. The old lady swallowed these insults. Swallow means tolerate. The old lady, the old aunt, she swallow means tolerate these insults which was given by the Jumans and his family or wife. The arrangements worked well for a couple of years, but thereafter the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became an independent to her as his wife, who grabbed even the little food that the old lady needed for survival. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months. but patience has its limits. Yes, each every person or each of them, each of the every person, they were having a limit of patience. Yes, everybody having their limits of patience. Here, the old aunt, she was having she was having a limits of patience. Patience has its limits, but patience has its limits. Everybody, every person having their own limits of patience. Here, the aunt, the old lady, she was having a limits of patience has its limits. One day, she spoke to Juman, the old aunt or the old lady. One day, she wanted to spoke with Juman. Spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Obeses means clear. Obeses means, the meaning of the word obeses means clear. The old lady spoke to Juman, my son, it is now obeses that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. That old aunt, she wanted to set up a separate kitchen. She asked to the Juman, it's very clear. I am not wanted to stay in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance for me so that I can set up a separate kitchen. These words are put by the old aunt. The response, the reply given by Juman, my wife knows best how to run the house. He says like, my wife knows that best how to run the house. Juman told these words to the old aunt, my wife knows how best run the family or house. So that my wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient. Be tolerant. My wife knows how to run the house. Said Juman shamelessly, without shame. He shamelessly told these words to his old aunt. This made his aunt angry. This shamelessly speech made his aunt very angry, and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Yes, the old aunt, she decided to bring in front of this, take her case in front of the village panchayat. Dear students, you know that the scene or situation is how that village panchayat. I think you are from village. You know the situation of village panchayat. The old lady went about meeting people, explaining her case. Yes, the old lady, the old aunt, she went in front of the village panchayat. She wanted to explain all her case in front of the people, panchayat people. Some sympathized with her. When the panchayat people, they heard all her case, and some of the people, they were very sympathized with her. Sympathize. The word sympathize means feel sorry for somebody. Feel sorry for somebody. That is the meaning of sympathize. Adults laughed at her. Juman. At last she came to Alugu Chaudhary and spoke to him. At last the old aunt, she came to near the closest friend of Juman, Alugu Chaudhary, and she wanted to explain all those things. Spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. Juman answered that Alugu Chaudhary told like this. You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? How can I argue against him? You know that the fact is that Juman is my best friend. Alugu said, but is it right, my son? But is it right, my son? The old aunt, she told like this, that is it right, my son? Is it right? What? It was happening in the house that Juman to keep mom and not say what you consider just and fair. Pleaded the old lady. That old lady, she wanted to request with Alugu Chaudhary about his friend, close friend, that Juman Sheikh. She was pleaded. Old lady, come to the panchayat. That Alugu Chaudhary said like this. Pleaded the old lady, come to the panchayat and speak the truth in front of the panchayat. That Alugu Chaudhary advised that old lady, come to the panchayat and speak truth in front of that panchayat peoples. She said, Alugu did not reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. That what the words she was talking in front of the Alugu, that words were ringing in his ears. It means it was very empathized or stressed in the mind of Alugu Chaudhary. Let us know what happened in the panchayat, how that panchayat was held. Let us go to the next paragraph. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Almost all, dear friends, we know that all panchayat in the village held under the banyan tree or any big tree in the out of the outskirts of the or middle of the village. We know that the big stage and there was a big tree, whether it is banyan tree or any other big tree in the middle or heart of the village. Here, the panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. There was a big banyan tree. That panchayat was held under the big banyan tree. Where was that panchayat was held? Say, yes, the panchayat was held under a big banyan tree. Juman stood up and said, that Juman, he stood up. You know the stand, stood. Stand, stood. S-T-A-N-D. Stand, stood. You know that? Stand, present tense forms. Stand, present tense, stood, past tense, future tense or past participle also stood. You mind here there is a tenses, present tense, past tense, future tense. Like this, if there is the Juman stood up in front of the panchayat and said, and he said like this, the voice of the panchayat is the voice of God. The Juman stood up in front of the panchayat people and said like this, the voice of the panchayat is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head panch. He gave a chance to her aunt let's my aunt nominate any head of the panchayat. Dear student, here one system is here, that is in the panchayat, village panchayat, they want to select a head of the panchayat, any one person. He is the giving some discernment. Here the Juman gave a chance to her aunt to choose any one of the head of this panchayat. Panch. I will abide by her decision. The Juman told like this, said like this, I abide by her decision. I have obeyed that decision. I nominate Alugu Chaudhary as a panch. The panch knows neither enemy nor friend, stayed the old lady. The old lady, the old aunt, she nominated the head of the panch. The name was, that is the Alugu Chaudhary. He was the head of the panch. She knows that I nominate Alugu Chaudhary as a panch. She decided to that Alugu Chaudhary is the head of the panch. The panch knows neither enemy nor friend. Yes. The panchayat people, the head of the panchayat, the panch, was selected as a head of the panch. He did not know that neither enemy nor friend. Whatever it may be, he was the head of the panch and he gave an impartial discernment. He did not in favor of that his friend or enemy. Stayed the old lady. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of luck. When the old aunt, she select or nominate that head of the panch named the Alugu Chaudhary, then Juman Sheikh was very happy. He was ideally happy because Alugu Chaudhary is a friend of the Juman Sheikh. That black piece of black. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman. That old aunt, old lady, she told like the Alugu Chaudhary, he want to say like this, Chachi. Chachi means the old aunt. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman. Aware of my friendship with Juman. You know that the friendship is very bond. The friendship was very strong with us. Said Alugu, yes, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. But that old aunt said that I know that you did not give a partial or impartial or partial judgment. God lives in the heart of the punch. God lives in the heart of the punch. Punch, the head of the child. And his voice is the voice of God. You know that the God lives in the heart of punch, and also his voice is the voice of God. Voice of God. The panchayat, head of the panchayat, they were giving the discernment, that is the voice of God. So that God lives in the heart of the punch, and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. The old lady, the old aunt, she wanted to explain all those things in front of the panchayat people. Let us know what happened in the next paragraph. What have you to say in your defense? Asked Alugu to Juman. Juman narrated how his aunt transferred her property and how he promised her to look after her as long as she lived. Yes, the Juman Sheikh he want to narrate or he want to explain all those things, how that old aunt, she transferred her property in the name of Juman. And also Juman, how he was promised to help her old aunt at the last stage of her life, at the end of her life. He promised, and also he was narrating all those things, what happened in front of that old aunt. Promised her to look after her as long as she lived, but of late there have been quarrel between my wife and aunt. Yes, after some days there was a quarrel between my wife and wife and also the old aunt. This is the story. The story was narrated in front of that Panchayat peoples. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. Juman said. Now, therefore, my old aunt, she wants a monthly allowance from me. Allowance means, there is a meaning for this word. Allowance means an amount of money given regularly. This is called allowance. An amount of money given regularly. That the old aunt, she wants a allowance, monthly allowance from Juman, which I cannot pay. That is all I have to say. Juman said, I cannot ready to pay the monthly allowance. That I have to say. He concluded his submission. So like this, Juman, he concluded all his words or story in front of the head of the Panchayat. After consulting others, Alugu announced, we are of the opinion that Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, for else the property gives back to her. Hearing all those things, the Alugu Chaudhary, he concluded or he want to give some decision or justice. Like this, how he was announced that Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, for else the property goes back to her. Yes, this is the decision, this is the justice, or this is the judgment was given by Alugu Chaudhary. What was the judgment? That is, the Juman, he has to pay that monthly allowance, compulsory. So, Juman has to pay the monthly allowance to that old aunt. Otherwise, for else the property goes back to her. Whether Juman, she did not accept that monthly allowance, then that her property else go back to her. This is the judgment given by Alugu Chaudhary. Now the friends were seldom seen together. Two friends, the friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship was broken. The bond of friendship was broken. Students, you know, first how the two friends were having the strong friendship or close friendship or bond of friendship. How that bond of friendship was in between Jumanship and Alugu Chaudhary. Now that bond of friendship was broken because of the announcement or the judgment was given by the Alugu Chaudhary against Jumanship. See, students, we know that at what situation, At what circumstances? At what the time? The bond of friendship was broken. So that the friendship is how that friendship or the bond of friendship was broken. In fact, Juman saw Alugu as an enemy, and Juman, even Juman saw Alugu as an enemy. Now, after the judgment has given against Juman, that Juman, we want to look that Alugu as an enemy. Now, friendship, not friendship, as an enemy, and wanted to take the revenge. That Juman, he wanted to take a revenge against his close friend Alugu Chaudhary. Dear students, you know that the situation, how that the situation makes the broken of bond of friendship. So this is the situation. Because Alugu Chaudhary, he was impartially was giving a discernment or the judgment, whether he did not give a support to that or recommend to his friend Juman. So only the Alugu Chaudhary, he was impartially, he gave his judgment as a head of the bunch. But now Juman, he was look after his friend as an enemy and wanted to take revenge against the Alugu Chaudhary. Let us know what happened in the next paragraph. Days passed, and luck would have it, Alugu Chaudhary was in a tight spot. He sold one of his bullocks to Sanju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock sold by Alugu died within a month. Anyhow, my students, you know that the meaning of the bond of friendship. What is the meaning of bond of friendship? And how the Juman Sheikh, he disobeyed his promise, or he come from, or how he was did not accept his promise in front of the panchayat. How that lady, the old act, she selected the head of the punch as his closest friend Alugu Chaudhary. And how that punch, head of the punch, how he decided to give a impartial judgment in front of the punch. You know that the panchayat gave a impartially judgment or decide against the Juman Sheikh. This is the story. Dear students, you know how you are behaving or how you are giving a impartial judgment or judgment when either your close friend or your enemy. Whatever it may be, you must be given the impartial judgment at the time of justice, which have given here. Like this, you are also having a bond of friendship. So you are also going to face the such a situation in our village or village panchayat. This is the character. This is the two characters or three characters coming in front of us in this text. Let us go through this new words here given. In this lesson, so many new words are introduced. Bond, as I told, bond means strong connection. You know that there is a strong connection between Juman Sheikh and Alugu Chaudhary. And also another word is here, squam because she was having a limit of tolerance. Yes, grudge. It means gave unwillingly. Gave unwillingly. Obvious. Obvious means clear. 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 And also allowance. As I told you, the allowance means an amount of money given regularly. That word is called as allowance. Sympathize. The meaning of sympathize is feel sorry for somebody. When you are going to say or show your sympathy towards anybody, that means you show your feelings and sorry for somebody. And also mom means quite silent. Quite silent. Like this, these are all the new words coming in this text. I think you are going to use these words in your own sentences. Let us take a homework.